how to take a panorama picture on iPhone. First, let's go back to the home screen and launch the camera app. At the bottom here, swipe across until you select Pano, and then you want to start your phone from the left and then move it to the right like that. So you rotate from left to right. So try to keep the arrow on a straight line. So here, point the camera to the left and then tap on the shutter button. And then now we slowly move and rotate the iPhone slowly to the right. Now if you want to stop, simply turn it backward like this and that will stop. So turn back like this and the motion and the camera will stop. Then you can tap on these pictures and take a look. So this is the shot, this is what it looks like. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.